Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227fdn printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Our first step is download our printer driver. That is very easy. Go to the YouTube description. In the YouTube description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and second is the Mega link. And always goes to the 64-bit. Go to the Mega 64-bit link or Google Drive 64-bit link. Because Windows 11 is 64-bit, so I go to the Mega link. You can go to the any link that you want, Google Drive link or the Mega link. I hit enter key on my keyboard. You can just click on that and it's open in your web browser. After that, here we find our printer name. Go to here, downloads, click on directly downloads or click at here and click on standard download. Click on the standard download, wait for a few seconds. Our download is started at here. Wait for a few seconds or few minutes. After a few seconds, my download is complete. Go to the top. In the top, here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. Here we find our downloaded file. Click on this show in folder. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Minimize it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on the zip file or the setup file, show more options, extract files, click on OK, and it extract folders on our PC or laptop. Here we find newly created folder, double click on it, and here we find our file, and we are going to install it manually. There are two ways. First, double click on this setup file and install it, but second way is reliable. Go to the start and here type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, I center it. We find add a printer or scanner and add a device. Click on this add a device. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Click on add a new device manually. Minimize it or close it. I minimize it or close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Select last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part. Click at here. And if you find any port name .4_001 HP printer device, .4_001 HP printer device, then select that HP printer device, HP port. If any HP port is fine, select that. If you not find that port, then select LPT1 or best option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB and click on the next. Here we find HaveDisk. Click on HaveDisk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Select desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on it. And here we find .inf file. This show only .inf files and folders. Select any file that you want. All files are the same file. I select 64-bit, okay, or the 64 and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find two options. Use any option that you want. Both are the same options. It is a series printer and this series printer contains many printer. Select version 3 or version 4 and click on the next. Here we find HP LaserJet MFP. Give any name that you want. I give 227fdn. FDN and give any name that you want and click on the next. Here we find it is installing printer. It takes few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. After a few seconds, my printer is installed. Next option is share this printer so that other on your network can find and use it. If you want to share with the network or other computers, select this. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on the finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. That is very easy. Go to the start, type printers and scanners once again, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners list, if you find your installed printer name, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.